Most people want to get fit, but most won't. Most people dream of building a successful business. The reality is they won't. Most people fail to achieve these goals because their minds are cluttered. If your mind is cluttered, how can you expect to focus to create anything significant? You must be able to focus. Focus on one task for hours, days, even weeks. But if your mind is cluttered, how can you expect to do that? Part one, you are distracted. We all know that focus is crucial for creating something great. But what exactly is focus? It's the ability to give your full attention to one task. If you're not focused, you're likely juggling multiple things. Nowadays, we're all becoming more distracted and losing our ability to concentrate. We can't seem to do anything without multiple sources of input. You've probably already checked your phone or scrolled through the comments while watching this video. By doing this, you're conditioning your mind to crave constant stimulation, which makes true focus unattainable. To combat this, switch off your phone and leave it in another room for 24 hours. You'll soon realize you're addicted, not to the phone, but to the distraction. If you keep feeding this addiction, you'll never reach your goals. Part two, you are confused. Most people don't know what to do with their life because they don't know what they want. When you don't know what you want, you can't know what to do. Many people spend their entire lives in this state. They either never work on anything significant because they don't know where to start, or they work on the wrong thing and end up with nothing but regret. To move past this stage, you need to enter the zone. This is a state of intense focus where you're completely absorbed in a task, often experienced by athletes and business professionals. It's known as one of the happiest states for a person. To reach this state, clearly define your goals. Keep it simple. Just reflect until you identify what you want. Outline the steps to achieve these goals and take daily action. This will help you stay in the zone until you achieve your objectives. Part three, your diet is poor. As humans, we function within a system. We wake up, go about our day, go to sleep, and repeat. This system has inputs like food and sleep and outputs like your performance. Poor inputs result in poor outputs. If you sleep only 2 hours, you'll perform poorly the next day. If you've ever had trouble concentrating while reading, it might be due to your diet. Eating poorly leads to thinking poorly. If you believe you can build something great with a poorly functioning mind, you're mistaken. To improve your life and enhance your performance, you need to optimize your inputs. Setting goals and planning steps to achieve them is essential, but if your mind and body aren't well nourished, you'll find it difficult to reach your goals. Prioritize your diet. Good inputs will lead to better outputs and a clearer overall mind.